Hello everyone, this is Mario from Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Breville Barista Touch Espresso machine. Now for this machine, we just replaced the sensor that is located right here inside the tray, the auto milk sensor, this one right here. The whole sensor is completely exposed and it's very easy to get damaged. Unfortunately, this one got damaged and it started giving the error E05. And yeah, error number 5, which means that this NTC sensor is no longer detecting the temperature and the machine will not let you do anything. So we had to replace that. We replaced it and now the machine is power on and is ready to brew. So let's start testing the machine with just one shot of espresso. Let me select it and then I can grind. I'm using a different basket. The machine did not come with any kind of basket. I probably should put a bit more coffee on this. Okay, and now we can brew. There you go, and now we're gonna heat brew. The machine is gonna heat up. The pancake boiler that is located right there is gonna get up to temperature. Once it does, the machine will start pumping water through the sonobuss, through the filter, through a lot of hoses, and then into the cup. Like I said, we're using a bottle basket. This is a self-pressurized basket. As you can see, it's pulling out a little bit too fast, but good shot nonetheless. There you go. Crema expected from a self-pressurized basket. Working great. Now we're going to be testing the steamer. You can see, steaming perfectly fine. Excellent pressure coming out from the steamer one. Working great. So there you have it. Breville Barista Touch working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for playing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.